A clean fridge does not have to take all day. It could even become picture perfect without you even trying. Every fridge is different, so set yours up in a way that fits your life. The cleaning part stays the same, simple. One shelf at a time makes it easy. Just clean one shelf. Yep, that's right. Just one, today. If cleaning out the fridge feels overwhelming, stop trying to do the whole thing at once. Just clean one shelf at a time each day. I know you say, this will take forever if you only do one shelf at a time. But believe me, you have to try this just once. You will be amazed. Start at the top. Take everything off. Throw out what's old or bad. Wipe the shelf down and the wall sides and back of just that shelf. And don't forget to check the back. That's where the little fur monsters like to hide. Once clean, put back only the items that you use. Toss the rest. That's all you do for today. Tomorrow, do the next shelf. Then the next day, do the next. Then the drawers, and so on. By the time you get to the bottom at the week's end, your whole fridge is clean, and it never felt like a big job. And for the final touch, wipe down the outside. My husband even buffs ours with car wax, and it really helps cut fingerprints on stainless steel. But when I do it myself, this is what I use when he is not in the mood to buff. All this is quick, easy, no stress. And somehow, you get a picture-perfect fridge, and you will wonder who did it for you. See you in the next video for more cleaning hacks.